Let's add custom stats to Minecraft. If you want to go deeper, the 26.x modding courses are linked down below. 30 plus hours covering complex block entities with fluid and energy handling, custom mobs, custom networking, and even custom biomes and dimensions. Everything you need for 26.x all in one place, linked down below in the description. Alright, we found back and tell you once more, and in this tutorial we'll be adding a custom stat to our Minecraft mod. Now first of all, what is a custom stat? Do you mean like, stats like strength? No, I'm not talking about strength, dexterity, or any of that stuff. I'm talking about the statistics that you get for, this is how many blocks you place down, this is how often you milk the cow, things like that. And for this, it's actually very straightforward, but there are like one or two things that you need to know. So first things first, we want to go to the tutorial mod package. I want to make a new package called stat. Instead of there, we'll make a new Java class. I'm going to call this the mod stats class over here. There we go. This, of course, has a public static final deferred register over here of type identifier this time. Identifier from net Minecraft resources. This is our custom underscore stats equal to the deferred register dot create. And then here built-in registries dot custom underscore stat tutorial mod dot mod ID. As per usual, all of the code is available to you down below, because then we will have a public static void register method over here with an event bus over here called, now we're going to call it event bus over here though. Event bus, there we go. And then this is going to call the custom stat deferred register, that register passing in that event bus. And the register method, of course, will get called right here, mod stats.register, passing in the mod event bus. Easy enough. We'll make a helper method. This is not strictly necessary, but it's kind of nice. There's going to be a private static supplier of type identifier. And there's going to be the make custom stat over here with a string key parameter. And then we get the identifier. This is going to be our stat identifier. There we go. Equal to identifier from namespace and path right here. And then exactly right, tutorial mod.mod ID, passing in the key as the second parameter. And then here we're going to return a custom stat. So this is going to be the deferred register, that register, passing in the key as the string name, and then a supplier of the stat identifier that we've created right here. That's basically all we have for making the custom stat over here. And then we can go in and say public static final supplier of type identifier. And then this is going to be the valuables underscore found. Making sure we write this correctly. There we go. Equal to make custom stat. And that is the valuables underscore found. I think that's a better name over here. There we go. Valuables found. And then to actually use this, it is super freaking simple. We're going to go to our metal detector item over here. And we're going to go to the success, right? So this is going to be our success over here. And then when we add the data to our data tablet, we're also going to say that player.awardStat, passing in mod stats, player.awardStat over here. This is the award stat method, passing in mod stats.valuablesFound.get, and then just increasing that by 1. So we're just going to say, hey, we added one more valuable. That's pretty much it. The last step here is just the translation for the stat itself, which is stat.tutorialmod. And in this case, valuables underscore found, of course, the name right here, given the name right here. That should be more or less self-explanatory, and that's actually everything that we need in this case. So we can now move into the game and see if it works. All right, friends, we're back in Minecraft, and let's just find some valuables over here. And if I now go on to the statistics under V, valuables found 3. And if I find another over here, boom, we can see that the statistics, it's now 4. Absolutely fantastic. And that's how easy it is to add a custom statistic over here to Minecraft. Awesome. And that's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Thank you to all of the members on YouTube. Don't forget you can get 14 days of early access when you join as a Stonebricks member on YouTube. And that's going to include this video right here, where we'll either do a crop block or update to 26.2. Depends on how stable it is. Hope to see you in that video though. Until then. So, yeah.